15. Find a square minus 5a plus 6 identity. Identity matrix is a square matrix whose diagonal element is equal to 1. Diagonal element are a11, a22, a33 and diagonal element always 1. 1 जैसे 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Order of identity matrix is the order of the given matrix. First we find a square. A square means a multiply a. A square a multiply a. Taking first row and first column, multiply 2 2s are 4, 0 1. Similarly, we multiply this multiplication we have done earlier. Then multiplication become this. A square minus 5a plus 6 identity. Put value of a square 5 into a matrix plus 6 into identity matrix. Identity matrix is order of the given matrix. This as it is 5 2s are 10, 0 multiply 5 each of the element and 6 each of the element. Then 5 minus 10 plus 6 minus 1 minus 0 plus 0. Then add this type. It becomes this and answer is this. 17th question. If a is equal to this and identity matrix is equal to this, find the value of k so that a square is equal to ka minus 2 into identity matrix A. First we find a square. A square a multiply a. K into a matrix minus 2 into identity matrix. Because a matrix is 2 by 2 order, then identity matrix is also 2 by 2 order, which is given also. Multiply this first row, first column, first row, second column, similarly this. Multiply k, 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k, 2, 0, 0, 2. This becomes this, 3k minus 2, minus 2k minus 0, 4k minus 0, minus 2k minus 2. Comparing any element, any corresponding element of matrix. 4k is equal to 4, then k is equal to 1. If a is equal to 2 by 2 order matrix, then I be the identity matrix order 2 by 2. Show that I identity plus a, identity minus a into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. First of all, we add I plus a, left hand side, identity matrix of 2 by 2 order, 1 0 0 1 plus a given matrix 0 minus tangent alpha by 2, tangent alpha by 2 0, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus tangent alpha by 2, tangent alpha by 2, tangent alpha by 2 and 1. Right hand side, identity minus a, identity this matrix, a this matrix, it becomes this. Identity minus a into cos alpha minus sin alpha into cos alpha. This is the I minus a and multiply this 2 by 2 order matrix. We write where tangent alpha comes sin alpha by 2 and by cos alpha by 2. Multiply this 1 by cos alpha plus tangent alpha by 2, it sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. Multiply sin alpha 1 minus sin alpha, tangent alpha by 2 into cos alpha, tangent alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha. Taking LCM of this, cos alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2, sin alpha by 2, sin alpha, cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2. Formula sin alpha minus beta, sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta, cos alpha minus alpha by 2, alpha minus beta, cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. We use these formula in this. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B. Alpha minus alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. taking minus common from this. It becomes sin alpha cos alpha by 2 minus cos alpha sin alpha by 2. It becomes sin alpha minus alpha by 2 identity divided by cos alpha by 2. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. It becomes sin A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. It becomes cos A minus B. We simplified cos alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. Sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. It becomes cos alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Sin cos cancel, cos cancel. ये हो जाएगा 1 minus tangent alpha by 2 or tangent alpha by 2 or 1. It becomes left hand side. A trust fund has rupees 30,000 that must be invested in two types of bonds. The first bond pays 5% interest per year and second bond 7% per year. Using matrix multiplication, determine how many divide 30,000 in two types of bond. If the trust fund must maintain the annual total interest, first part 1800 rupees, 2000 rupees. Let rupees X and rupees 30,000 minus X are invested in two type of interest 5% and 7% respectively. The investment and interest rate of interest are written in row and column matrix. Row mat P, investment rupees X and 30,000 minus X. Q, 5%, 5 by 100 and 7%. Total interest PQ. X, 30,000 minus X. 5 by 100, 7 by 100. We multiply this. First X, 5x by 100. Then multiply this by this. 21 by 100 minus 7x by 100. Using 100 minus 2x by 100. It becomes interest 2100 minus x by 50 rupees. We have two parts. Interest 2100 minus x by 50 is equal to first part rupees 1800 minus x by 50 is equal to 1800 minus 2100 minus x by 50 is equal to minus 300. Minus cancel out, cross multiplying, x is equal to 15,000. Investment 15,000 in 5% interest bond and 30,000 minus 50,000, 15,000. This 15,000 7% interest bond. Of a particular school have 10 dozen chemistry book, 8 dozen physics books, 10 dozen economics books. Selling price are there rupees 80, 60 and 40 each respectively. Find the total amount of the books sold received for selling all books of using matrix. The number of books written in row matrix and their prices written in column matrix. Multiply then answer. Auto matrix X 2 by N, Y 3 by K, Z 2 by P, W N by 3 and P by K. We find the order of matrix Py plus Wy. We know that P is order of P by K, Y is order 3 by K. We can multiply then number of row column of first matrix is equal to row of first matrix. This means K is equal to 3 and order of Py is P by K. P by K. Similarly, Wy can be multiplication when number of column of W is equal to number of column of I. These three equal. Then order of Wy is N by K. These two are added when their order are same. K column, P is equal to N. Then P is equal to N and K is equal to 3 is order of Py plus Wy. Question number 22. If N is equal to P, find the order of 7x minus 5z. X is order of 2 by N. Z is order of 2 by P. N and P are given. Either order of their is 2 by N or 2 by P. In given option, 2 by N is given. 2 by P is not given. Then answer is 2 by N.